Look, nobody asked for more complexity or systems that just shuffle problems around. What's killing you right now isn't a lack of ideas or talent. It's code that doesn't think, that can't adjust on the fly, that leaves you stuck rewiring the same old software every damn time something new pops up. You're grinding through details that should have been handled by the machine years ago. The frustration is real. Wasted time, blown budgets, patchwork systems that break the moment you blink. You feel it down to your bones. The tech that's supposed to help slows you down or holds you hostage. Here's the hard truth. The old way won't cut it anymore. Writing rigid code that expects every scenario to be predefined by a person, that's yesterday's problem. You want solutions that evolve themselves, that learn and adapt without you babysitting line after line of brittle, outdated instructions. Systems that wake up and figure out what to do next, not because you told them step by step, but because they understand the patterns, the context, the chaos inherent in real business and real innovation. Self-learning systems, adaptive AI, whatever you want to call it, that's your next move. Not because it's cool tech, but because it's the only way to keep pace with the fast-changing reality out there. If you can't automate the learning, if you can't hand off the problem-solving to the code itself, you're stuck forever in a loop of firefighting and rewrites. The market won't wait. Investors won't wait. Your competitors aren't waiting, but it's not just about survival, it's about control, real control. Imagine not having to rebuild whole chunks of code when the business model shifts. Imagine your systems not just catching up but getting ahead, spotting trends, flagging risks, adjusting tactics in real time. That's power, and it's only possible if you build with learning as the foundation, not just some add-on. You don't need better developers, you need smarter systems. Period. If you want in, start killing these habits. Stop treating software like a disposable product. Stop demanding that every future scenario be detailed in endless specs no one reads. Instead, invest in modular, self-learning architectures that can be plugged into your operations and start improving from day one. Bake feedback loops into every process. Data, results, mistakes, feed them back to the system. Let the code get smarter on its own. Don't just collect data, make it work for you. Next, focus relentlessly on real-time adaptability. If your system can't react instantly to changes, you're already behind. Legacy code waits for humans to make decisions. Self-learning models don't. They adjust and pivot immediately. Use this to your advantage. Run experiments faster, innovate faster, fail fast, learn faster. This is what separates founders who crush it from those stuck watching. And here's one you won't hear often enough. Stop chasing perfect AI that solves everything. That's a lie to keep you paralyzed. Build small, precise self-learning modules that target your biggest bottlenecks first. Lock down real business value with proof points, then scale. Incremental wins ignite momentum. Forget monoliths that try to be everything at once. They die slow and painful deaths. Make sure the people who touch these systems are not just coders, but thinkers. Operators who understand how the business breathes and evolves. Your AI isn't just code, it's part of your team. Feed it context, goals, priorities. It needs a sharp mind behind it, guiding its learning path. Don't expect magic from black boxes. You need transparency, control, and alignment. Finally, don't fall for the easy fixes or flashy apps that promise total autonomy overnight. Real self-learning systems are messy, they need constant fine-tuning, and most importantly, they need a clear purpose. Without a ruthless focus on what problem you want that system to solve, it's just noise. Decide what freedom you want from your technology. Freedom from endless rework, freedom to innovate at speed, freedom from the trap of legacy. Then build with that freedom as the only non-negotiable. You want out of the rat race of brittle code and broken systems? Stop thinking of code as static lines on a screen. Start thinking of it as a living entity that learns, grows, adjusts, and fights for you. Because if it doesn't, someone else's smarter system will eat your lunch tomorrow. No one owes you progress. You take it by building smarter, faster, tougher systems that learn and evolve without waiting for you to hold their hand. This isn't hype. It's survival, it's power, and it's happening now. Get on it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to discover more.